Objection now. So let's talk about uncertainty-based objections. These are like one of the hardest objections to handle, right? And how do you typically get these objections? It's by not crossing your T's and dotting your I's. That's why most of the times, one of the best ways to kind of like handle uncertainty-based objection is to prevent it from even happening. That's why a lot of closers do things which is called temp check. Like based on everything we've talked about, how do you feel about it on a scale of 1 to 10? Right? Because when you get that congruency and you make sure that they're, you get like you're not just on that call, but you're actually present on the call. You're actually in there, like you're actually in the process. You're actually there with them. You won't get uncertainty-based objections as much, right? But these are one of the hardest objections to handle, right? And most of the time when you get that, it's because they're not really sold yet. So what you want to do when you get uncertainty-based objections is that you want to go back to the drawing board, connect the dots, temp check them, right? So here's what you can do. Okay, cool. So I'm kind of feeling a little bit of uncertainty. So let me ask you this then. On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being, I don't even know if I want to do this, and 10 being, I definitely see how this can help me hit my goal of $20,000 a month, where would you say you are on that scale? Most of the times, it's going to be a 6 or a 7, or even maybe less, right? And then you want to ask them, what would you say is stopping you from being an 8, 9, or even a 10? And then they'll tell you what's the thing that's actually stopping. Just because I just met you guys today, and I want to go do a little bit more research and all of this stuff. Cool, I understand that, but dude, I mean, in terms of research, you already did that. That's why you're on this call, right? You watched her train. That's how you hopped in here. And meaning, in terms of like more information, there's really nothing that you can find online that I can't tell you on this call. All right, those are one of the ways to handle it. But whenever you get uncertainty-based objections, you always want to go back to the drawing board, connect the dots, right? Uncertainty-based objections, you want the temp check, go back to the drawing board, connect the dots, and then re-pitch them, all right?